The world of journalism is changing. AI is rapidly becoming a key player in the industry. Newsrooms are buzzing with discussions about its potential. From automating tasks to personalizing news, AI is reshaping information consumption. Imagine an AI assistant scanning data in seconds. It identifies breaking news with unparalleled speed. AI is transforming journalism. By taking over repetitive tasks, AI frees up journalists. They can focus on in-depth reporting and analysis. The integration of AI in journalism is not without its critics. Some fear AI will replace human journalists. However, AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement. Its role is to augment and enhance the work of human journalists. The future of journalism hinges on collaboration between humans and AI. By embracing both, we can usher in a new era of journalism. This new era will be marked by accuracy, speed, and deeper understanding. This is an exciting time for journalism, a time of transformation and opportunity. In today's digital age, misinformation spreads like wildfire. Social media platforms have become breeding grounds for fake news. This poses a significant threat to the credibility of journalism. This is where AI steps in as a powerful ally. AI-powered fact-checking tools are emerging as a crucial line of defense. These tools can analyze information at an unprecedented scale. They can cross-reference facts across a vast repository of data. This ensures accuracy and identifies potential instances of misinformation. Journalist. The benefits of AI in fact-checking are numerous. AI can identify false or misleading information in real time. This helps to prevent the spread of fake news. It also helps to rebuild trust in legitimate news sources. For journalists, AI acts as a tireless assistant. It verifies information and ensures the highest standards of accuracy. The impact of AI-powered fact-checking extends far beyond the newsroom. By promoting transparency and accountability, AI helps to create a more informed public. In a world saturated with information, discerning fact from fiction is paramount. AI empowers both journalists and the public to navigate the digital landscape with greater confidence. Bias in journalism is a complex issue with no easy solutions. However, AI offers a new lens to address this challenge. AI can identify patterns of bias in language, framing, and source selection. Imagine an AI tool highlighting potential instances of gender bias. These are examples of how AI can help mitigate bias in news reporting. The potential benefits are significant. AI can help journalists produce more balanced reporting. But AI is not a silver bullet solution. It's essential to use diverse datasets to train AI. Section 4. Navigating the challenges, ethical considerations, and potential pitfalls. The integration of AI in journalism is not without its challenges.